A8se 2 Max and Blue 240W Full Spectrum Marine LED Light. Wi-Fi app control. Reef-ready lighting for saltwater tanks. Level up your reef tank with the A8se 2 Max and Blue Full Spectrum LED Light, designed for serious saltwater aquarium enthusiasts. With 240W of power, a recommended spread of 24 inches by 24, and Wi-Fi enabled 8-channel control, this reef light brings out the best in your corals and marine life, both in color and in growth. Wave key features. Checkmark powerful 240W output. Covers up to 36 inches by 36 inches of tank space. Ideal spread, 24 inches by 24. Need more coverage? Easily link multiple modules to light larger reef aquariums evenly and efficiently. Checkmark full spectrum for coral health and growth. Engineered for saltwater coral reef tanks, the A8se 2 Max and Blue offers smooth color mixing with hemispherical edge lenses that deliver better par distribution, penetration, and visual appeal. Checkmark 8-channel wireless control via app. Control intensity, spectrum, and schedule directly from your smartphone with the cloud-based app. Adjust each light or sync multiple units, perfect for advanced reef keepers and beginners alike. Checkmark smart temperature control. Built-in intelligent thermal management prevents overheating, extends lifespan, and ensures consistent performance, even during long photo periods. Checkmark global compatibility and plug options. Accepts input voltage 100 to 240 volts AC, making it suitable for international use. Comes with multiple plug adapters, US, EU, UK, O, JP. So no matter where you are, your reef is covered. Straight ruler specifications. Dimensions: 11.8 by 7 inches by 1.4 inches, 30 by 18 by 3.5 centimeters. Weight: 2.9 pounds, 1.3 kilograms. Power consumption: 240W. Max input voltage: 110 to 240 volts AC, 50/60ths of a hertz. Mounting height, recommended, 8 to 10 inches above tank. Globe Smart features include multi-light operation for larger setups, wireless Wi-Fi app programming, language options, English and Chinese, remote access and lighting schedule control, wrench durability and warranty. Expected lifespan: 50,000 hours, 5 to 7 years for most users. Life expectancy may vary based on humidity, salt creep, heat, and cleaning frequency. 1-year warranty, non-transferable, applies to original owner only. Covered defects will be repaired or replaced free of charge within the warranty period. Fish perfect for checkmark saltwater reef aquariums, checkmark coral frag tanks, checkmark SPS, LPS mixed reefs, checkmark marine fish tanks, checkmark reef meadow and high light demand setups. Movie camera. Watch our full review and setup guide to learn how the A8se 2 Max and Blue performs over a reef tank, how to mount it, and how to connect the light to the Wi-Fi app. You'll see coral color pop, shimmer effects, and hear expert advice for optimal lighting settings.